In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to securely access your Jellyfin server from anywhere using Tailscale. It is completely free, it is easy, and you don't need to open any ports on your router. I'm going to show you this setup using a Windows computer. You can also use this on macOS, iPhone, Android, a Synology NAS as well. So the first things first, open tailscale.com and create an account. So let's get started. I'm just going to sign up with Google. You can use anything you'd like here. Once we created an account, we're just going to add our first device. So I'm going to do this for Windows. So just click download Tailscale for Windows. Once the download is completed, just install it and go through the setup instructions. So once you click sign into your network, it'll take you to a login page where it'll state that you're about to connect your computer to your Tailnet network. So just click connect. And if you go back to the main page, so not the download page and not the page you connected, the main page, you'll see it here. Now that it's installed on your computer, there is nothing you need to do on your PC. What you would need to do now is install Tailscale on a different device. You can do this on your Android phone, a different computer that's connected to a different network, or on a smart TV that supports Tailscale. So I'm going to show you this example using my Android phone. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Tailscale. Once you've installed it, open it up and let's log into Tailscale. So click in, choose how you created your account. You can just sign in with Google like I just did. Select your profile. And once you're ready, you can connect your mobile phone to your Tailnet network. Just like you did to the computer, it's the same steps here. So you have multiple devices on the same network. Once you're connected, if you go back to Tailscale, you'll see both your phone as well as the desktop. To access Jellyfin on your desktop, just select the desktop, copy the IP address that's located in the middle where it says IPv4. Once you copy the IP address, go to your internet browser on your phone or on any device you're using and type in that IP address onto your device, followed by 8096 for Jellyfin or any port that you selected when creating the container in Docker, and then press go. And then here you can just log on to your service just like normal. And now you can see everything that you have on your Docker container on your phone that's not connected via Wi-Fi. I'm using my mobile data here. This works on more than just Jellyfin. You can access any container you have running on the computer using the same IP address. You just need to change the port number. So if you're going to go to QBitTorrent, you just put 8080 or 8989 for Sonar, 7878 for Radar. You just use the IP address that was created by Tailscale. If you disconnect it from Tailscale, so if you scroll down, disconnect, now you are not connected to your computer, so that IP address that you have already won't work anymore. So if you refresh the page, it won't work. Now that's the benefit of Tailscale. You can remote into your current setup anywhere you want on a completely different network, assuming the device you have supports it. So just for reference, I have this working on a NVIDIA Shield, which is, running Android TV. I have it on my Synology NAS, and I also have it on my computer and my phone. If you're like me, you may want to share your Jellyfin with other friends or family members, but you also don't want to give them your Tailscale logon details to log onto your account on their device. That's completely fine. It is very easy to share your details to them without them having that much information. To do that, just go to tailscale.com again and go to the admin console. Once you're here, you can see the systems that you have added, which the desktop, which is a computer, and then we have my phone that I just showed you here. I've disconnected from my phone, so it's not connected anymore, but the desktop is still running. To share your device to another user, all you need to do is locate your device under the machine section. So for us, it will be the desktop, and we'll just click share. Once you share, just put in their email address, or you can generate a link and share it to the user. Once they have that link, they can click it, create an account, and sign in on their own device. once they sign in, they will see that desktop IP address, which is not the IP address of your computer. It is the IP address that Tailscale has provided. And we'll just copy that IP address to log on to Jellyfin. Now, once you share this with someone, they'll have access just like you do. They'll be able to view your Jellyfin, as well as any other containers if they have the port number for that as well. If you are sharing this with other people, I strongly recommend using strong passwords for any server that you have running, so that way people don't just randomly jump in and mess a few things up. You can also delete people's access as well. So if you don't want someone to have access, just click the three dots there and click remove, and then they won't have any access at all to any of your systems. If you think I'm missing anything or you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. If there's anything else you would like to see, please let me know as well. That's it. Your Jellyfin server is now accessible securely from anywhere without exposing it to the public internet. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more home server and media server tutorials. This is Systems from Scratch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.